Hello everyone, welcome to Roam Tips. Today we will be discussing how to easily download and install Messenger on your Mac. If you're tired of constantly opening your web browser just to chat with friends and family on Messenger, this video is for you. We'll walk you through a couple of simple methods to get the standalone Messenger app up and running on your Mac OS device. But before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Roam Tips for more useful tips and tricks. It really helps us out. Okay, so there are primarily two ways to install Messenger on your Mac, directly from the Mac App Store, or by downloading it from the Messenger website. We'll cover both. Method 1. Installing from the Mac App Store. This is the easiest and recommended way. 1. Open the App Store *, look for the blue icon, usually in your dock or in the Applications folder. 2. Search for Messenger * in the search bar at the top left corner, type Messenger, and press Enter. 3. Find the official app *, make sure you're selecting the official Messenger app by Meta Platforms Incorporated. Look for the familiar blue and white logo. 4. Click Get * to the right of the app icon, you'll see a Get button. Click it. 5. Install the app *. After clicking Get, the button will change to Install. Click Install. You might be prompted to enter your Apple ID password or use Touch ID/Face ID to confirm the installation. 6. Open Messenger *. Once the installation is complete, the button will change to Open. Click Open to launch the Messenger app. Method 2. Installing from the Messenger website. If for some reason you can't find Messenger in the App Store, or prefer to download directly, follow these steps. 1. Open your web browser * Safari, Chrome, Firefox, whichever you prefer. 2. Go to the Messenger website * type messenger.com into the address bar and press Enter. 3. Scroll down to the footer * scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. 4. Find the Download for Mac link *, look for a link that specifically says, Download for Mac, or something similar. It's usually in the footer section of the page. Sometimes this link is hard to find, so make sure to scroll properly. 5. Download the .dmg file *, click the link. This will download a .dmg file to your computer. 6. Open the .dmg file *. Once the download is complete, locate the .dmg file, usually in your Downloads folder, and double-click it to open. 7. Drag the Messenger icon to Applications *. A window will pop up showing the Messenger icon next to a folder labeled Applications. Drag the Messenger icon into the Applications folder. 8. Open Messenger from Applications *. Go to your Applications folder, either through Finder or by searching with Spotlight, and find the Messenger icon. Double-click it to launch the app. Opening Messenger and logging in. Regardless of which method you used, when you open Messenger for the first time, you'll be prompted to log in with your Facebook account information. Just enter your email or phone number and password, and you're good to go. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Messenger on your Mac. Now you can chat with your friends and family directly from your desktop without having to open your web browser every time. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a like, leave a comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful Roam tips. Thanks for watching.